Welcome to All About Challenge Coins. Do you have a design in mind for a custom challenge coin? Whether it's for military, first responders, a team, or a brand, our expert design team can translate any vision into a reality. Creating your own challenge coin is easier than you think. Here's how it works. The first step is to send us your ideas, images, or even just a description. Our design team then gets to work and provides a free production-ready coin design, turning your idea into a coin tailored just for you. Once you love your design and give us the green light, we'll move forward with production. In just a few short weeks, you'll receive your challenge coins and they'll be ready to hand out, collect, or display with pride. At All About Challenge Coins, real people are here to bring your vision to life. With free design help, fast production, and free shipping, we make creating your perfect coin easy and stress-free. Start your custom challenge coin project today. It's free to begin, and our team is here to help.